Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome to my channel. Inventory planning managers lead the inventory planning process. They need deep knowledge of process improvement, inventory management, project management, problem solving, and supply chain management. This learning path helps building a strong foundations for a career in inventory planning. In this video episode, I'll be sharing and explain the type of inventory and the cost of inventory. List and explain the tools used for process improvements. Show how to solve complex supply chain challenges. So let's begin. What is process improvement? Process improvements is about taking the core of what you do, whatever it is that your company sells in order to make a profit, measuring it, and then finding ways to do it better. Doing it better could mean doing it more cheaply, or doing it faster, or achieving better quality, or all of this at once. Improving your processes will make your company more profitable and might be essential to your survival in a competitive world. And even though every company, every business is different, there are certain techniques that can be used to investigate the potential improvements of any process. Hey, my name is Vivienne. I'm the software developer. And on this video episode, I'll be taking you through measuring what you have got at the moment, working out whether it is good enough. The trade-off between cost, time, and quality, the importance of bottleneck, and several more of my favorite theory. By the end, you will have deep understanding of how systems work and a whole lot of practical tools that you can use when you are improving your own processes. Let's move on our topic for today, measuring and managing in the process improvements foundations. Before you can improve a process, you need to know whether it needs improving. And then as soon as you start to intervene, some might say interfere, you need to know whether you have made a difference. Or rather, you need to know whether the changes were due to what you did, or due to something else, or just due to pure chance. After all, there's a 50-50 chance that this year will be better than last year, even if you do nothing. So, we need to measure what's going on with our processes. In fact, it has been said that if you can't measure it, you can't manage it. But do you think that's really true? Can we manage something without being able to reduce down to a number? In fact, can everything be measured? What about quality, or service, or design, or culture? Can this be measured? Well, I would say yes, but then I started out as a software consultant, so I'm bound to say that. And I do believe that if you are not measuring something, then there is a risk that you will end up assuming things are okay when maybe they are not, and you won't take actions until they have got really bad and the problem has become visible even to someone who has not measuring anything. It would be good to not leave it that late. So I'm going to suggesting on this video that we work out the key things that measure them, so that we can monitor and then optimize them. And optimize doesn't mean maximize or minimize. The best place to be often at 80% rather than 100%, as we will see. So it start with scientific management. Decide where you want to be and then measure your progress towards that point. Every time I hear companies say we are having a reorganization, because I just know that means they are going to have several years of chaos, expensive chaos with a good people living. and the bad ones waiting in the hope of redundancy money. And then, when all the pieces they throw up in the air have fallen back down again into different pattern. Yes, much better would be to measure everything, work out where the problems are and just target those areas. And then measure whether you are getting those problem areas sorted out or not. So the first questions of process improvement is, are you measuring enough? What are the black holes? The processes that apparently can't be measured in your area of work. If you have to measure them, how will you do it? Okay, that's all about my sharing in today's video on the measuring and managing in the process improvement foundations. And the next topic, I will be talking about measuring the right things. Don't forget to subscribe to my channels and turn on your notification bell so that you can be notified when I upload a new video. Once again, my name is Vivienne. Have a great day and I see you in my next video.